Hi there, welcome to our new video series called Why Nauman. My name's Rebecca and I'm here with Dave, who is our comfort specialist for residential HVAC installations. Dave, thanks for being here today.
It's great to be here. Thanks, Rebecca.
So why don't we just dive right in? Why Nauman? What sets Nauman apart from other HVAC installation companies?
A few of the things that differentiate us from other companies is our ongoing commitment to quality, customer satisfaction, and also attention to detail. At Nauman, we do understand that installing a new HVAC system can be challenging sometimes, also can be a significant investment. We take our time, we treat every HVAC installation with the utmost care and professionalism, and we have certified technicians that go through an ongoing training process to ensure that the job gets done right the first time.
Awesome, a lot of good stuff. Well, tune in next time and we're going to chat with Dave about the different heating and cooling units that Nauman installs and how Dave can help a customer pick the one that's right for their home. Thanks, Dave.
Thanks, Rebecca.
Why Nauman is brought to you by Nauman Companies. Visit them online at callnauman.com or call 570-476-7515.